Is your Windows computer running out of storage space? Microsoft PC Manager makes it easy to remove junk files, clear temporary data, and free up valuable disk space in just a few clicks. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to clean junk files with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several optimization tools. Next, select Storage Management from the available tools. This section helps you identify temporary files, cache data, and other unnecessary files that can safely be removed. Start the storage scan and wait while Microsoft PC Manager analyzes your computer. Yeah, the scan checks for temporary files, Windows cache, recycle bin contents, and other files that may be taking up unnecessary space. Once the scan finishes, review the list of files that can be removed. Take a moment to confirm that you don't need anything before starting the cleanup process. Click the Clean button to remove the selected junk files. Depending on the amount of data, the cleanup may take a few moments to complete. After the cleanup is complete, review the updated storage information to see how much space has been recovered. Running this cleanup regularly can help keep your computer organized and improve overall performance. And that's how to clean junk files with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. Regularly removing temporary files and unnecessary data helps free up storage space and keeps your Windows PC running more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.